Did you know that planting this herb next to your tomatoes will help improve their flavor? Today I'm going to be planting some Amish paste tomatoes, Marigolds, that I got for only 99 cents. And this herb that's going to bring you so much flavor to your tomatoes. So to plant tomatoes, you want to bury them really, really deep. All these little furry hairs right here will eventually be roots. That's why you want to bury it as deep as you can. So I'm just going to add some worm castings to the hole. I'm also going to put a few of these pellets in the hole and then top dress around the top. These pellets have beneficial microbes and nutrients, which will make for some happy plants. Now I'm just going to bury it pretty deep as I can get it without covering these leaves up. Marigolds are a great companion plant for tomatoes because they repel the dreaded hornworm, and they also attract bees and butterflies. So be sure to plant lots of them when you're planting your tomatoes. So when it comes to having a thriving organic garden, it's a good idea to use a companion planting guide so you know exactly what to plant together. Because planting the wrong things together can be detrimental to your garden. And now for the basil. It's great for repelling whiteflies and hornworms. It smells great too. Be sure to plant lots of basil and marigolds with your tomatoes this year. And don't forget your mulch. It helps retain moisture and prevents fungal disease from splashback. If you'd like to check out a great companion planting guide, I'll have one linked in my profile.